Would you believe that some people believe you shouldn't moisturize your skin, especially when you're oily or acne prone? Hey y'all, your skin therapist Euniycemari here, and today I'm going to be going over 5 moisturizing myths and what you should be doing instead of these, and how doing these will not give you the results that you want. So let's get into it. The first myth that we are going to be discussing is that all moisturizers are the same, which is a big no. Okay, now moisturizers have different things that they do for different skin types. So for example, you are dry skin. So we have an example of dry skin and oily skin, right? Dry skin, you want to use a thicker moisturizer, something that's going to give you the moisturizing benefits, maybe with a little bit of hyaluronic acid, etc. Okay, oily skin, you want to use something that is a lighter moisturizer, probably has something like willow bark in it, something that's going to target those acne breakouts, formulated for that. All moisturizers are not the same. Depending on your skin type and what you are treating, you need to use the right moisturizer in order to see the best results. Okay, myth number 2 is that oily skin does not need moisturizer. Now, I'm an oily girl, okay, and I moisturize twice a day. Okay, now I get where this one is coming from, because people will think, well, you produce so much oil already, why do you need to add more moisture to your face? The thing about it is that a lot of times you suck the oils out of your skin by using things that are clarifying and all that, and if you are not putting the proper moisture back into your skin can start doing what? Overproducing oil, okay, and therefore that causes more breakouts, etc. It does not matter if you're oily skin. The type of moisturizer that you use, yes, you want to use something that's lightweight. You don't want to use anything that's heavy, but you still want to continue to moisturize every morning and every night, giving the skin that it needs, supporting that barrier, okay, and that also will help out with controlling how much oil you produce. Moisturizing myth number 3 is that you only need to moisturize in the winter. Who thought of that one? No, your skin needs to be moisturized year round, okay? You don't just wash your face only in the winter, okay? You wash your face when? Every day, year round. Why would you not do that for your skin? I don't care if it's humid outside. That don't matter. It doesn't matter if it's dry heat outside. Your skin still needs to be supported. We walk outside, we come in contact with the elements. They can dehydrate the skin, they can break the barrier, a whole bunch of things, okay? Making sure that you moisturize every day, support the skin, and it also gives you those results of looking dewy, looking good, keeping that skin glowing and everything. So why would you just moisturize in the winter? Don't do it. Make sure you're moisturizing every day, twice a day. Myth number 4 is that more expensive moisturizers are a better option, okay? And listen, you don't have to buy super expensive moisturizers to get the best results. You can go find a moisturizer that's like $10, okay? $15. It all depends on what you are looking for and what that brand is about. Some brands are less expensive and they are more effective for skin. And then you have those that are really pricey just to be pricey, and they do what? Nothing, okay? So it's all about doing your research, looking at, what is it that your skin needs, what is that brand about, what do they stand behind, what are people seeing when it comes to those type of results, and then going from that. But just because it costs more doesn't necessarily mean that it is a better option. Myth number 5 is that applying a moisturizer to dry skin is enough, or you can just apply to dry skin and you're good to go. No. Okay, when you are applying your moisturizer, you want to make sure you are doing it onto damp skin. So when you cleanse your face or you get out the shower, don't fully dry your face, dampen it a little. dry it a little bit, and then go in with your moisturizer or your skincare routine. The reason why is that moisturizers have water, right? Water content. And if your skin is already, you know, still a little moist, those pores are probably a little bit more open, and so it can take in that moisture a lot better. People also use steamers when it comes to applying their moisturizers. Why? Because it opens up the pore, it loosens up the skin, it makes the skin more receptive to that water content. All right, so it is best to have your skin somewhat like damp when you apply your moisturizer, so that you can get the best benefits from it. All right, and then you'll look all glowy and your skin will feel all soft, and that's how you know is taking it in. The key takeaway for these skincare myths is that you have to make sure that you are researching all that you are seeing online or what you hear from friends, etc., etc. Okay, pop Google open, talk to an esthetician, get some real key advice and research when it comes to these myths. So following some of these things, if you are not properly doing your research, can have the opposite effect on your skin. Not moisturizing at all, and you're wondering why your skin is not glowing and why it's not dewy and why you're having wrinkles. No, okay, that's not what you want. So definitely make sure that you are doing your research and checking all of your boxes when it comes to the myths about skin that you see out there. I'm curious to know any moisturizing myths you may have heard or come across, or if you have any questions about moisturizing in general, leave them down below in the comment section. Let's talk about it. Also take a moment and click the little eye icon in the corner there, and it will take you to my skincare playlist where you can see reviews, acne talk, my skincare journey, all of that good stuff. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in a later video.